Have you been wondering how much the new Google Pixel 10 series is really going to cost? The Google Pixel series has always been synonymous with top-notch quality and innovation in the smartphone market. From its early days, Google has consistently pushed the boundaries with its Pixel devices, offering users a seamless and intuitive experience. The anticipation for the Pixel 10 series is building up, and tech enthusiasts are eager to see what Google has in store for us. We've seen it time and time again with each new smartphone release. Prices seem to creep up. The Pixel 10 series is expected to follow this trend, which might make some potential buyers hesitant. Historically, price increases are often justified by enhanced features and performance upgrades. Still, it's natural to wonder if these upgrades are worth the extra cost. Consumer expectations are high, and many are hoping that Google will deliver a device that justifies its price tag. The Pixel 10 series is expected to come in several models, each catering to different needs and preferences. We've got the standard Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, and possibly even a Pixel 10 Pro XL. Each variant is likely to offer distinct features, from camera capabilities to battery life. When it comes to pricing, the standard model is usually the most affordable, while the Pro and Pro XL versions tend to be pricier, reflecting their enhanced specs. Let's talk about what we can expect from each model. The standard Pixel 10 might start at a relatively affordable price, possibly under $800. The Pixel 10 Pro could see a significant bump in price, potentially over $1,000, given its advanced camera system and larger display. The Pixel 10 Pro XL might be the most expensive of the bunch, possibly exceeding $1,200, considering its top-of-the-line specs and larger battery. The official prices for the Pixel 10 series have finally been confirmed. The Pixel 10 starts at $799, the Pixel 10 Pro at $999, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL at $1,099. These prices are in line with consumer expectations, but some might still find them steep. The features and performance upgrades do seem to justify the costs, but it's a matter of personal preference and budget. In terms of value, the Pixel 10 series seems to offer a lot, from impressive cameras to snappy performance. Whether these devices are worth the hype remains to be seen, but Google has once again set a high bar for itself. Overall, the Pixel 10 series appears to be a solid choice for those looking for a premium smartphone experience. So what do you think about the prices of the Pixel 10 series? Are they in line with your expectations, or do you think they're a bit steep? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you missed our previous video comparing the top smartphones on the market, be sure to check it out and join the conversation.